My question is, what is the ruling on cashback amounts, discount vouchers that are earned after making online transactions? Is it halal? Discount vouchers, cashback coupons, and other discount coupons that we get after we make an online transaction, is it permissible in Islam or not? As far as discount vouchers, as far as cashback coupons, as far as discount coupons are concerned, all of these are permitted as long as they are within the purview of the Islamic Sharia. As long as they do not involve in riba, they do not involve in cheating, they do not involve in deceit. So generally all transactions in Islam are permitted unless proven otherwise, unless there is an evidence which says that a particular transaction is prohibited. For example, those transactions that deal in riba, it is clearly prohibited, and we know this from the glorious Quran and from the authentic hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. But as far as these cashback coupons, these discount vouchers are concerned, they are generally permitted. And whenever we go to any shop, or for example whenever we go to any restaurant, after we pay the bill, many a times in the restaurants they have certain discount coupons, discount vouchers that we get after we pay the bill. And when we visit the restaurant again, so we will get, for example, 5% discount, 10% discount, or we will get 5% cashback, etc. Or we will get a discount when we visit the restaurant again. And many of the restaurants, they adopt this strategy in order to attract the customers, so that the customers come to the restaurant again, and so that the customers repetitively come to the restaurant. So even in shops, even in restaurants, these discount vouchers, these cashback coupons, there is no problem in it as long as it is within the purview of the Islamic Sharia. And even as far as online transactions are concerned, if there is a discount coupon after we purchase something, there is no problem in it. It should be free from riba, free from cheating, as well as free from deceit. So I hope that answers your question.